In the history of books that I have read for wealthy people, there's always one thing in connection with them. That is real estate investments. If this has been in years, so what makes you think it will not happen in this time and age, when there is even more advantage, when there is even more informations, when there is even more technology? So it will work more better. Getting rich is not when you just wake up tomorrow. You have to plan ahead. You have to invest in the future. And there is no better way than to invest in a property that have a potential to grow. This property is located at Omu, Ekpe, Lagos, Nigeria. Aside the traffic that is coming to Ekpe, aside the airport, aside the drive that everyone is crazy about Ekpe right now, that aside, of a truth, this property is actually worth investing in. Now, it is not just to buy a property in Ekpe, because there are some locations that maybe you have an idea that, okay, in the next 20 years, 30 years, development will get there. The truth is, once development starts happening in Ekpe, it is not everywhere it will get to. So that is the reason why I go in Ekpe, sort out properties that I know that when development come here, it will get to that property first before any other one. Now just look at the express, starting with this. This is the express. Do you see this express? This road is where we are going to be having the 6-lane, the proposed 6-lane coming from Ijebode to Ekpe, straight to Ekpe, straight to VI, Lekki and all that. This particular road. So do you see how strategic it is? There is no soothsayer that needs to tell you that this property will give you a high return on investment. Then again, let me quickly show you the inside. Now see how dried this land is. See, this land is a total dry land with the downpour, heavy downpour that be happening in Lagos lately. You can see how dry this property is. If you are not investing in Koro City, Omo, I don't know where you are investing in. Perfect for a retirement plan. Buy for your children. Buy and leave it. Land banking is the real deal in property. Initial deposit of this property is 500 down payment. The full payment is 4 million naira. 4 million naira, including deed, survey, and development fee. So this is the right property to give to that your baby of today. In the next 20 years, they will appreciate you for it. Give us a call, 090-377-900. I will bring you here to come and see. Inspection is free. Don't forget, my name is Pekila of the Pekila Way, and I'm always here to give you the best residue in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you.